school, we were just kids. Through thick and thin, through all the bits, you held my hand when times were rough. My partner in crime, my diamond in the fluff. Laughter echoes in our secret spot. Midnight snacks in that coffee pot. Sharing dreams and all our fears. You wiped away so many tears. Life may take us far and wide, but in my heart you always ride. No matter where, no matter when, you're more than just a friend. We built a world that's just